So the next morning I picked up the phone. He worked on a trading desk. 8:30 a.m. Picked it up. Hello, Mr. So-and-so. This is Dan. Thanks for taking my call. And I barely got anything out. And I'll just PC the rest of the language. But he just says, listen, kid, I do not have a job for you. You can imagine he used a little more colorful wording. And I'm like, wow, everything I was expecting at this phone call just went sideways. So I apologize, of course. Hey, sorry I came across that way. This was really like 10 seconds into the phone call.
Yeah.
And I explained, I was hoping to ask some questions. He gave me some guidance. He again says, look, I just don't have a job for you. I said, totally understand. I'll tell you what, you sound really busy. I'll call back another time that you have more time to speak. Slam, I hang up the phone because I wasn't going to get anywhere. So, oh my God.
You hung up on the guy?
Hung up on the guy, yeah.
Do you feel like it was like you panicked in the moment and like he was just pushing you and you just like slandered? You felt like
it was a little bit of fight or flight, but somewhere like something calm, cool, collected took over me. Because I set myself up to call him back the next morning at 8:30, and he didn't have enough time to say no.
Right. Okay, so you basically you hung up so you couldn't say no or like don't bother or whatever, and so you ended up calling him again the next morning.